Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both environments so they talk smoothly. First, install Node.js LTS and verify Node v. Once done, create a server folder inside your Flutter repo and run npm init to get package JSON. Then add express and cores with npm iExpress cores so your API can accept requests from the app. You do this now because having a lightweight REST endpoint simplifies debugging. Make sure your index.js exposes JSON and listens on a fixed port like 3000. Next, integrate the Flutter side so you can call Node endpoints. Add the HTTP or DO package in PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pub-get, then implement a small API client that performs GET and POST requests and decodes JSON responses. Use clear error handling and timeouts so you can detect server issues quickly. When testing on an emulator, remember emulator-specific host addresses. Use 10.0.2 for Android emulator or map ports for iOS simulator, because wrong host causes silent failures. Finally, deploy a reliable loop. Secure your endpoints by validating inputs and restricting cores to your app origin, and run Node with Nodeman during development for instant reloads. Use environment variables for port and keys so you don't hardcode values. Test the entire flow, exercise endpoints with Postman or curl, add unit tests, then verify the Flutter UI handles success and failure states. If things go wrong, check the Node console for cores or JSON parse errors first. They are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.